Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright, been away for a while, but I am back. This week I'm going to be doing fried chicken and chips with jerk seasoning. Alright, if you're just joining, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, friend, and then another friend. Alright, come make we bubble apart. So we have our Irish potato right here. I'm going to peel our Irish potato. I'm going to wash our Irish potato. So we're going to cut our Irish potato flat into about 3. First one like that. Second one like that, can go about 4. Other one like that. Right, then we're going to go for some strips. First one like that, 2, so we have a Walker's jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, not sponsored by Walker's. We're gonna add some of this to our chips. Right, add about half tablespoon to our chips. So we have our salt, add a pinch of salt, then we're going to mix this up. So we're going to cover this up and let it marinate for about 5 minutes. So we have our Uncle Sam vegetable oil, not sponsored by Uncle Sam. Add our vegetable oil, cover the entire base of the pot. So we're going to leave this on medium flame, let the oil get hot. So we're going to add our chips. We're going to clean up our chicken. Get rid of the skin. To wash it off with some vinegar. So we're going to turn these. Just wash some pimento seed, gonna add it to the chicken. have a all-purpose season up. Maggi, not sponsored by Maggi. Gonna add some of that. We're not going to add any salt because the season up contains salt. Right. So we have our thyme on our scallion. I'm going to add this for flavoring. Wash them. Add it to the chicken. Just wash our garlic and I cut it up for flavoring as well. I have a scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to cut up some of this as well. I'm going to add our black pepper. If you want, you can add paprika. You can add coloring, but I'm not going to do all of that. Just keeping it simple. So I'm going to mix this up. Right. And let it marinate. Now the chips are nice and crispy and golden brown and ready. So we're gonna throw out some flour for the fried chicken. Now for the fried chicken, you want to add some seasoning to the flour as well. Right, so add some black pepper. And I'm going to add some special seasoning which I'm not going to expose. This is my secret. So I'll mix the special seasoning along with the black pepper in the flour. Right. So we're going to take our chicken, take the seasoning off. I'm going to dip it in the flour. So we have the hot oil over here. Right, so add our chicken. So we're going to fry it for about 15 minutes on each side until it's nice and golden brown. Now the fried chicken is ready, nice and golden brown and crispy. So we're going to add this. Our chicken and chips is ready. We're gonna add some ketchup. Yeah man, chicken and chips is ready, you know. Let's check it out and see what's going on. Trust me, you know, sometimes I even surprise my own self. You have to taste it to know how it tastes. Very yummy, you know. So remember, like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and a friend and a friend and a friend and a friend. Friend, then another friend. Boom!